Introduction. The main purpose of this chapter is to equip students with comprehensive knowledge about the Philippine culture and tourism geography. It describes the diverse culture of the Filipino and the geographical information of the different regions and provinces in the Philippines. At the end of this chapter, learners are expected to understand and discuss the geographical location and demography of BARMM, enumerate the different provinces and cities of the region, identify the languages, explain the cuisine, and specify some tourist attraction in the region. The Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM was established in 2019, replacing the ARMM through the approval of the Bangsamoro Organic Law in a plebiscite held on January 21 and February 6. The term Bangsamoro combines the old Malay word Bangsa means race or nation and the Spanish word Moro used for predominantly Muslim ethnic groups in the Philippines. This new autonomous region was officially organized and commissioned on election on January 25, 2019. The Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM is a self-governing region in the southwest part of the Mindanao, Philippines. It consists of 5 provinces: Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi, with Cotabato City as its regional center. According to the 2020 census, BARMM has a population of 4,404,288, making up 4.4% of the country's total population. The region includes 2 cities, 116 municipalities, and 2,490 barangays, highlighting its diverse and whispered administrative structure. Basilan is an island province in the Philippines, part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, and the largest island in the Sulu archipelago. Located near the Bangsamoro Peninsula, it is home to three main ethno-linguistic groups: Dayakans, Tausugs, and Chavacanos. Dayakans and Tausugs are predominantly Muslims while the Chavacanos are mainly Christian. Filipino and English are the official language, but Yakan and Chavacano are widely spoken along with Tausug, Cebuano, and Sama. Basilan's rich cultural diversity reflects its mix of indigenous and migrant communities. Lanao del Sur is a province in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM, Philippines. Its name Lanao originates from the word Ranao meaning lake, reflecting the province's location around Lake Lanao, the largest lake in Mindanao. The people of Lanao del Sur are called Maranos, meaning people of the lake, highlighting their cultural and historical connection to the lake and its surrounding areas. Maguindanao was a province in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM, Philippines. Its capital was Buluan from 2014 to 2022 through its legislative body met in Sultan Kudarat. It was bordered by Lanao del Sur, Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat Province, and Iliana Bay. On September 18, 2022, the province was divided into Maguindanao del Sur and Maguindanao del Norte after a plebiscite. The Maguindanaoan culture is notable for kulintang music, a traditional gong music significant in southern Philippine communities. Sulu, a province in the southern Philippines, is part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region and consists of the Sulu archipelago. Its capital is Jolo, and it was historically significant as the royal capital of the Sultanate of Sulu. Despite its rich natural resources, including fertile soil, abundant fishing grounds, and a pearl industry, Sulu remains the poorest province in the country, with agriculture and fishing as a primary livelihoods. It is also known for producing unique crops like Sulu coffee and exotic fruits and engaging in traditional crafts like boat building and mat weaving. Tawi-Tawi is a province in the southern Philippines located in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM. Its capital is Bangau and it is the country's southernmost province. Tawi-Tawi shares sea borders with Sabah, Malaysia, and North Kalimantan, Indonesia. Historically part of Sulu, it became a separate province in 1973. The name Tawi-Tawi comes from the Simana word of bayan tree, reflecting the abundance of this tree in the island. Language. Bangsamoro is a linguistically diverse region in the Philippines with at least 15 languages spoken. The most prominent are Maguindanao Maranao, spoken mainly in Lanao del Sur, and Tausug, spoken in the Sulu archipelago. Other notable languages include Siacan, Iranon, Chavacano, a unique Spanish-based Creole and the only one in the Asia, as well as Cebuano, Tiruray, and Sama. This diversity reflects the rich cultural and ethnic heritage of the Bangsamoro people. Tinigil is a traditional dish from Maguindanao particularly popular during Eid al-Fitr celebration. It is made with chicken cooked in fresh coconut milk, flavored with turmeric and herbs and seasoned with palapa. Palapa is a local condiment made from grated coconut, fried chilies, onions, garlic, and various herbs, giving the dish its rich and aromatic taste.
It is originated from the Maguindanao people and is a popular, cheap breakfast meal in Mindanao. Usually, we have a pastil here in Luzon, Visayas. But to be honest, the pastil of Mindanao is the best because it is authentic and it is the best food in Mindanao. We also have here tapay. It is a fermented rice that is popular delicacy during occasion. Tapay is a traditional Maranao food made from fermented cassava or cooked rice that is also wrapped in banana leaves like the pastil. They usually serve this in a major occasion in Mindanao.
Traditional food culture of the Ranao people who primarily inhabit the province of Lanao del Sur in the Mindanao region of the Philippines. The people of this region are known as the Maranao, one of the largest ethnic groups in the Mindanao. Their cuisine, often to as Maranao cuisine, is distinct and rich with a depth connection to their culture, history, and environment. Piyaparan cuisine originated from the Maranao people on indigenous tribe in Lanao del Sur. Piyaparan is a traditional Maranao stew made with fish or seafood cooked in coconut milk with a blend of spices, herbs, and lemongrass.
Tiyula itum is a very culturally important dish for the Tausug people. It is like lechon for the people of Luzon and Visayas, where it is usually reserved during special occasions. It is even characterized as a food for the royalty, hence you see this during Muslim weddings and Hari Raya festival in Mindanao. Lukot-lukot is a very crunchy, sweet, and bundled snack that originated in the Zamboanga Peninsula, and it is common in Mindanao and the Sulu archipelago. It is also known as jaa or tagaktak.
Liguasan Marsh in Maguindanao is the largest swamp and marsh area on the island. It is a vast complex of river channels, small freshwater lakes and ponds, extensive freshwater marshes, and arable land subject to the seasonal flooding in basin of Mindanao River. Most of the area is underwater during periods of heavy rainfall, but some 140,000 dry out during dry periods and are cultivated. The Masjid Dimaukum or Pink Mosque is a mosque in Datu Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao, Philippines. The mosque construction was financed by Datu Saudi Ampatuan, Mayor Samsudin Dimaukum. The land where the mosque was built was property of Mayor's family. The mosque was painted pink to symbolize peace and love, and was built by Christian workmen to symbolize unity.
Religious of Isabela de Balisan is a Roman Catholic territorial religious in the Philippines that includes the entire province of Balisan, including Isabela and Lamitan City. The Sultans of Brunei founded in constructions of these mosques with his own personal money to help the emerging Muslim populations in the southern Philippines.
Tantawan Park, often referred to as Tantawan Viewpoint, is a scenic park that provides an incredible view of the Andaman Sea, the coastline, and several small islands. It is known for its tranquility, lush greenery, and panoramic vistas. Bodajiao has had two small eruptions in 1641 and 1897. Other features: the volcano is located on island Sulu in the Sulu archipelago. It is down strat volcano with an elevation of 1,443 feet or 440 meters. The island covered in volcano materials is dotted with cinder cones, top cones, pyroclastic cones, maars, and crater lakes.
One of the oldest, the biggest mosque situated in Barangay Tulay, Jolo, Sulu, and Wanda place and indefined one of the faith tourist attraction. Based on my research, this is not open to non-Muslims. Crater. Based on my research, this is Badajoz is the center cone and the second highest point is Sulu, a province of Philippines. In the Sulu archipelago, it is one of cinder cones that make up the island of Jolo and part of the Jolo volcanic group. The extent volcanic located 8 kilometers southeast from the town of Jolo in Sulu.
A paradise waiting to explore Panampangan Island is Henden Jail. Henden, away in the Solo archipelago. This small island, which is only 0.1 square kilometer in size, has unnatural future. The Philippines' longest sandbar, which stretches as incredible 300,128.37 meters. Panampangan Island is a sanctuary for tourists look for a climb getaway from the busy world. Everyone can find something to enjoy on Kapampangan Island, whether they want to unwind on the immaculate white sand beach. Turtle Island is the name after ancient mariners, formerly known as Taganak. Is the coastal municipality is a testament to the Philippines. Amazing biodiversity and fascinating history. The 400 island is islets that make up the Turtle Island are the mesmerizing tapestry of Preston Beach.